Hello and welcome. Greg here from Motor Match Crewe, bringing you this stylish Peugeot 2008 crossover that is now available at our dealership. This particular example is the Peugeot 2008 Allure model, finished here in the pearlescent white colour and powered by a 1.2 petrol engine. In terms of equipment, there's plenty for you to enjoy. The front will offer large front chrome grille with prominent Peugeot badging, as well as the convenience of automatic headlights with rain-sensitive wipers and LED daytime running lights. As one of our Motor Match vehicles, this car will benefit from minimum 1,000-mile warranty as well as 30 days. On the side, large 16-inch alloy wheels will further complement the pearlescent white colour, and there's even privacy tinted windows, chrome roof rails and even chrome wing mirror surrounds, adding to the overall premium effect. Passengers in the rear will be very happy, as the cabin offers plenty of legroom and headroom for up to 3. Part leather and cloth upholstery finished in this Oxford design will also offer 2 ISOFIX child anchor points and even a centre armrest. Moving towards the rear, stylishly designed taillights will give your Peugeot a fancy look at night, and the boot space itself can easily accommodate a week's worth of shopping and definitely 3 carry-on suitcases. You can fold down the rear seats in a 60-40 split to create more space, and there's also shopping hooks available too. A quick glimpse in the front will also reveal a stylish modern interior, offering a leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel, large infotainment screen, and the front seat will offer additional side lumbar support. I hope you enjoyed this brief 360-degree exterior tour of this Peugeot 2008. Before we move inside the cabin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with our latest stock and content. And if you enjoyed watching this particular video, why not give it a like now or leave us a comment or question in the section below. Once in the driver's seat of this Peugeot, it's an incredibly funkily designed cabin. Lots of contrasting materials as well as brushed chrome adds to the overall luxurious effect, and there's all-electric windows all round with heated power folding wing mirrors too. The steering wheel itself can also operate Bluetooth and trip computer functions from the right, with the left side even cooperating the radio. For motorway journeys, you'll be happy to know there's cruise control and speed limiter, and even a digital speedometer to complement the analog dials. Moving over to the center touchscreen, you'll have all your entertainment needs covered. For all your music, you'll be happy to know there's AM, FM and DAB digital radio reception, along with additional media inputs. Various vehicle settings are also on offer, allowing you to personalize this Peugeot, and you can even change the color scheme of the infotainment between 2 colors. Internet functionality is also available to connect Peugeot connected apps should you wish to use it as an optional extra, giving you access to a lot more live information. For Bluetooth, there is Bluetooth telephony and audio for wireless media streaming, and driving functions are also available, allowing you to optimize various vehicle settings. Automatic rear wiper, guide you home, headlights, and even mood lighting is also available, as well as audible and visual rear parking sensors. Moving down the cabin, there's even the convenience of a 2-zone climate control system, which is ideal for the hot summer months ahead of us, allowing you to set the temperature and the power of the fan just right. Moving further down, there's a 12-volt socket, auxiliary input, and even a built-in USB charger to allow you to keep your device's battery topped up at all times. Center storage is available, as well as a large glove box too. This has been a presentation of the Peugeot 2008 Allure that is now available to view and test drive at our dealership, along with a range of flexible finance options. To find out more information about it, contact our friendly sales team today on 01270 864 408, or alternatively follow the link in the description below. Many thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, and we look forward to hearing from you.